Tired of being broke, you need to flip or buy and hold. Clocking in and out, your 9 to 5 is getting old. JD Boom and AC Cash, they known to get the bag. You can make your own schedule, know you liking that. Time to take the next step, take your money, invest. Know you just got that check, go sign up with JTech. Yeah.
Hi, I'm AC Cash and this is
JD.
Boom! And we're here on behalf of Pivot Point Investors asking the question, if you had to buy one stock today,
One stock, one company.
what would it be? That's a simple question.
In this current market,
Current market.
for me,
Yeah.
JD Boom,
Right.
I'm buying Apple.
Apple a day.
Apple, baby.
How come?
Hey, Apple's current share price is $151.76 a share. They pay a small dividend, 0.61%. Yeah, nobody will get excited about that. The market cap is 2.44 trillion with a T. Now, do you tell me another company that can come close to that right now?
Hey, I don't need all the bells and whistles.
Okay.
Amazon.
Hold on. Let me finish though before you go there. Let me finish. My last thing is forget the iPhone, forget the iPad, forget the MacBooks, forget the AirPods, forget all that. Forget Apple Music, forget the movies, forget TV, right?
Okay, I forgot all that.
Apple Pay.
He likes
Money.
Apple Pay.
Money.
All right, well, that's cool.
They are
Apple Pay.
in the business of money.
Hey, I don't use Apple
money.
Pay. So they don't
this
affect
the
me.
hater.
I
This the
do
Google. This
order
the
from
Google.
Amazon. I do order from Amazon. They're on there every day. Somebody in my house ordering from Amazon. I do use Prime. And we're about to go into the holiday season. And the stock is down from this year's high about 38%. I'm buying. Holiday season, Amazon.
They're about to make a gazillion dollars.
When's the last time you said the word eBay? Have you said it in a while? No, because everybody's third and fourth place.
That's
Amazon, they're printing money,
Okay.
money. Hey, this debate is gonna go on forever. I'll just keep talking about this with this guy. Hey, I'm done with Amazon, man. I don't care about all this Apple stuff.
Team Apple
I hear you.
is the best, most well-run, well-managed company on the planet Earth, and they got us a gazillion dollars.
Man, say gazillion dollars. Man, that's a lot of money.
Cash
Okay, we'll go
sitting.
with that. Amazon. I'm with Amazon. So, Team Amazon, and this is
Team Apple.
Hey, and we're out of here. Pivot Point Investors. We'll talk to you about this later, man.